It's definitely way older than you, for sure.
By about 10 years or more.
Uh-huh.
It's quiet. I'll show the outside. This thing is cool. There's a whole community of people on YouTube that love seeing these things. Sometimes I'll post them on YouTube.
You'll have to post it on.
It's a rotary.
It'll get that red right now. Like if I leave it on high, the lady at least recorded the hair.
Yeah.
And that was her horse.
Oh man. I think it's a heat pump too, so it heats too.
Yeah, it does.
It's already pumping ice cubes. That's crazy. At least you know what you can do is you can leave that door open and leave this on, and then you'll get a little bit of.
Yeah.
It'll temper the air a little bit.
Yeah. We did that when we had guests here, because we had 2 beds in here, and then we moved the 1 bed upstairs for her and condensed my shop to one area, to one room. So.
Back when they were made out of solid metal.